Good morning, students. I am Vijay Aithekar, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Physics, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today, I am giving my video lecture on topic Total Material Balance, Introduction and its Equation, and in subject Modeling and Simulation techniques in discipline B.Tech FBT 9 trimester and B.Sc FBT 9 trimester student. Now we are going to total material balance equation and its application is our video lecture topic total material balance. What is it? The material balance are the first important step when designing a new process of analyzing existing one. They are almost always important to all other calculations in the solution of process engineering problems. Material balance are nothing more than the application law of conservation of mass, which states that mass cannot be created nor be destroyed. Thus, they, thus you cannot, for example, specify input reactor of one naphtha and another tons of gasoline gases or any else, the total material input will only give the tons of total output. That is, total mass of input is the total mass of output is the equation, material balance equation. The material balance according for the material, that the material balances are often compared the balancing the current account. They are used in industry to calculate mass flow rate of different streams entering or leaving the chemical or the physical process. General balance equation. Suppose the purpose of component of both input and the output stream of the continuous process unit shown below. This flow of rate of input and the output measured found to be different. It is kilogram propane is process unit and the kilogram propane per hour output. If there are no leaks and no measurement are correct, then other publicity can account for the different propane is either being generated, consumed or accumulated within the unit. The balance on the material in the system may be written in the following general way: is the input plus generation is the output minus composition equal accumulation. The general balance equation may be written for any material that enter or leave any process system can employ the total mass of this material molecular atomic species involved in the process. That is, input plus generation equal output plus composition. For physical process, there is no chemical reaction. The generation and the consumption term will be become zero and the balance for the steady state physical process will simplify reduce to input equal output. In the material balance problem, you will usually given a description of process, the value of several process variables, the list of quantity is determined in order to train using systematic procedure solve the material balance problem. It is following steps. First, draw and label the process of flowchart, that is block diagram. Second, select the basis of calculation. This stream amount flow of rate if the known is given, assume amount of stream is known as composition, write the material balance equation and solve the equation, derive in step 3 unknown quantity to be determined. Example of balance on the mixing unit. Suppose aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide contain 20% NaOH by mole. It is desired to produce 8% NaOH solution by diluting stream B by 20% with the stream of pure water. Then calculate the ratio, determine the feed rate of 20% solution, diluting the water needed to produce solution. We could take the basis of 23110 ideal product per minute, but evaluation purpose to have the number to calculate the different final result. Draw the flowchart. It is flowchart. There are two unknown quantity Q1 and Q2. Since two substance NOH and H2O, the input and output stream, two substance can be written the total mass balance and the water balance involved unknown. Then NOH balance equal gram NOH input, gram NOH output. Put the value, we get Q equal 250 gram. It is good practice to write and calculate the variable values on the flowchart as shown. They are no as use later calculation at the point 250 would thereafter written in the place of Q2 on the chart. 100 gram plus Q1 equal Q2, Q2 equal 250 gram, that is Q1 150 gram S2. The desired ratio can be calculated using this equation, and finally we check the result. General form of material balance for the hydrocarbon reservoir is undergo withdrawal RB, expansion of oil, original dissolved in gas A, expansion of gas cap RBB, reduction in HP SCPV due to contained water, decrease in the pore volume RBC, and the initial oil place STB is equal V phi 1 minus 1B. Expansion of oil and original dissolved gas. The liquid expansion is the liquid at the P, liquid at the P1, that is NB0 minus NBOI equal NB0 minus NBOI equal STB RB upon STB. Liberate gas expansion is the solution of gas at P, solution of gas at P1. Expansion of gas cap B, expansion of gas cap gas gas cap AP minus gas cap PI. Solve this equation step by step. Finally, we get that this equation is the change in HCPV due to count water expansion and the pore volume reduction. General expansion material balance out right using this equation. Finally, we get B equals CV del P and F equal ME0 MEG MEF WE BW. We have the different value of F, E0, EG and EFW shown in this diagram. Thank you so much.